Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my hearts for probably a fifth, sixth, or seventh time here at Millennium Middle School, and every year I keep getting brought back to address the 7th grade class and all the students in the 7th grade, students and staff, and it was just another very heartfelt, emotional morning here at Millennium Middle School where I went to school growing up, so it's always an honor to be back in this community that's welcomed me over the years. And the focus today was all on diversity, our differences, whether they're on the outside, how we walk, how we talk, how we think, what we wear, our skin color, anything that might separate us. We can actually look to have that unify us and bring us closer together. On the outside, we have to appreciate all those differences, but also what's on the inside. So our talents, our gifts, our abilities, our skills, whatever that might be, that we honor all of that too. And so the sub-theme too was all about the need for human kindness. And so you see here, we got the peace sign inside of the heart. And so the whole idea behind that is that peace has to begin in the heart. And that once we really accept that kindness into our heart, now we go out and start showing that love to someone else by helping them see their worth and their value. We talked about the M in all of our palms, M for miracle and for millennium, but upside down, W for worthy. And it's just like my shirt too. I have the M for miracle here, on the back is the worthy. And it's just a reminder that we're all beautiful miracles. We're all worthy of love. We all deserve love, and we can all show unconditional love. So I bring up dogs in this assembly and how they teach us how to show this unconditional love that does start in our hearts, and that it's so important we show this kindness, because if I'm kind to one person, it's not just that person, it's anybody else that hears that kind word or sees that positive action. It might change their heart forever as well. So we have to be all in, keep being that change, and really start to heal this planet one act of kindness at a time. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. Hit the notification bell to get future updates on videos like this. Check out the amazing playlist for some other clips on my journey across this country, along with tracking it on my website, mrpeace.org. You'll see the link here too. And keep sharing that kindness. Peace.